Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to what is the process to what is the process of importing PDF to Excel. So I'm going to show you two way you can import Excel. You can link the Excel in. You can link the PDF to Excel, or you can also copy convert PDF to Excel. So I'm going to show in this video. Let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go with the video. So guys, here you can see this is my Excel file. So first I'm going to show you how you can link Excel file. So whenever click on your Excel icon, PDF icon, the PDF file will open separately. So first go to the insert, just select the rows or column where you want to insert PDF. Go to the insert. Now you have to go in text, and text and go to the objects. In objects, just go to create format file, create from and file, and just browse it, and just select PDF from your device or computer. Just click on insert and click on display as icon. You can change icon from here. Okay, you can browse icon and just click OK. So you can see one PDF icon has come here. So it is like link. If you want to link PDF in Excel, you can link. Okay, so whenever you click on PDF, it will be open separately. You can see. Okay, so guys, now if you want to convert PDF into Excel, that also I will show you. Okay, for that we need Word file. So just open Word file. Okay, now first we have to go in file, go to the open. Now select any PDF file, or you can browse from here. Okay, if I want to insert this PDF file, I can okay, I just insert this PDF file. I already insert, so it will be insert two time. Okay, so this will not. Okay, that okay, it will be insert now. Now you have to select, you have to click within the table or any object. Now you have to click on this icon, and now you have to copy. Just right click of your mouse and copy it, and now go to the Excel and just paste here. So you can see the PDF file has been converted as a Excel. You can edit, you can change anything from here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.